TwenFM. TwenFM.org live im Internet zu streamen, überall auf der ganzen Welt. Und natürlich auf Alex TV in Berlin und Brandenburg. Heute ist Styles Berlin live mit Symbiz Sound und Stylewalker. Das sind die Jungs, die Herren, die neben mir stehen. Hallo?
Hallo. Hallo. Wie geht's?
Also Symbiz Sound werden jetzt ganz bald ein neues Album rausbringen, habe ich gehört. Die Jungs kommen aus Niedersachsen. Woher kommt ihr denn her?
Wir sind in Braunschweig aufgewachsen.
Und seit wann seid ihr in Berlin?
Ich bin vor so 3,5 Jahren oder so hergezogen und Chris vor so 3,5 Monaten, so ungefähr so. Und
der gerade geredet hat, das war Buddy.
Genau, ich bin der Buddy. Und was soll ich das sagen? Wir sind eigentlich relativ frisch in Berlin, aber jetzt schon hier bei TwenFM.
Finde ich klasse. Ich habe Symbiz Sound nämlich auf dem Melt-Festival gesehen, wo sie wirklich stundenlang live gespielt haben. Ja, wir haben, glaube ich, Echo gerade. Und ich fand sie so toll, dass ich euch mal die Jungs vorstellen wollte. Es ist ein bisschen anderer Sound als normalerweise. Normalerweise haben wir ja ganz viele Live-House-DJs und Live-Acts. Und heute spielen die Jungs eine ganz andere Richtung. Ja. Was spielt ihr heute oder was singt ihr heute?
Also meinst du jetzt Musikrichtung mäßig oder was? Wir werden so in Richtung, was ist das? Jeru-Musik nennen wir das auch.
Jeru-Musik, okay. Ich dachte, das wäre eher so Richtung Dubstep.
Ja, das ist so eine ganz große Mischung aus ganz vielen Stilen. Aber ich glaube, da kann Chris mehr dazu sagen, weil ich ja mehr am Mikrofon bin.
Chris, ich habe heute gesehen, dass um 18 Uhr euer neues Musikvideo hochgeladen wurde, beziehungsweise der Öffentlichkeit vorgestellt wurde. Das ist ein super Teil. The Downfall heißt das Stück, was von euch geschrieben wurde, und von euch wurde auch das Musikvideo gedreht. Also ihr habt es gedreht. Erzähl uns mal ein bisschen davon.
Naja, also die Musik hat hauptsächlich Buddy gemacht und ich habe sozusagen den Director gemacht und wir haben mit einem Team von Leuten das realisiert. Und ihr könnt euch das angucken auf YouTube, wenn ihr das sucht, The Downfall, oder auf ungleich-kollektiv.de. Das ist das Kollektiv, die Künstlergruppe, die das realisiert hat. Es ist inzwischen unser 3. Musikvideo und es ist auch, so wie du sagtest, wie wir vielleicht ein bisschen anders sind für den Abend. Es ist anders, also sehr, sehr anders, sehr eine große Ausnahme zu dem, was wir sonst spielen, weil es sonst sich hauptsächlich um Global Bass Musik handelt, die zum Tanzen gedacht ist, und das ist eine Ballade über den Weltuntergang.
Genau, der ja bald kommt. Ihr werdet eine halbe Stunde live spielen und danach werdet ihr uns noch ein bisschen von eurem neuen Album vorspielen, habe ich gehört.
Wir wissen noch nicht so genau, wie lange wir live spielen. Ich hoffe, du verzeihst uns das. Aber wir haben ein schönes Live-Set für euch vorbereitet, was auch anders ist als das, was wir die letzte Saison gespielt haben. Und da sind ein paar Sachen vom neuen Album drin. Und Buddy wird das für euch zu Hause moderieren und es euch wissen lassen, sobald es was Neues ist. Und dann wisst ihr, worauf ihr euch einstellen könnt für das Album, was übrigens 145 heißen wird, bei Big and Harry Rootdown rauskommen wird. Februar, März 2013 ist unser Debütalbum, also das erste richtige offizielle. Wir sind total happy. Wir feiern das heute mit euch.
Und alle sonstigen Informationen können die Zuschauer und die Zuhörer natürlich auf eurer Facebook-Seite finden, oder?
Ja. Und unter anderem auf unserer, wir haben auch eine richtige Seite, weil Facebook ja in 2 Jahren wahrscheinlich auch für den Arsch ist. Und wir haben dann, Entschuldigung. Und, okay, ist ja Radio, ne? Meine Damen und Herren, symbiz-sound.de. Checken Sie es aus.
Also Leute, ihr habt's gehört. Symbiz könnt ihr überall im Internet finden. Da gibt's auch das neue Video zu sehen, das heute um 18 Uhr, was vor 6 Stunden ungefähr online gegangen ist. So, unser nächster Gast für die 2. Stunde ist Stylewalker. Stylewalker ist eigentlich, kommt aus der Agenturszene hat eine eigene Agentur für Kommunikation. Genau. Ist aber auch ein sehr, sehr guter DJ. Ich habe ihn schon mehrmals gehört. Was spielst du uns denn heute vor?
Ich denke, ich werde ein bisschen Dubstep spielen. Bassiges Zeug. Sehr bassiges Zeug.
Dubstep, schön bassiges Zeug. Okay. Also heute wird die Show ganz, ganz anders sein als normalerweise. Ich bin wirklich gespannt. Die Jungs haben es wirklich drauf und ich würde mal sagen, are you ready?
Die sind jetzt gerade geflüchtet.
Ich hab nur einen Schluck getrunken. Ich würde sagen.
Ich würde auch gerne einen Schluck trinken.
Okay. Die Jungs machen sich gleich fertig. So, Style ist Berlin live heute auf TwenFM.org. 88,4 FM für die Leute unter euch, die noch Radio hören und natürlich auf Alex TV, offener Kanal. Heute wird das Telefon nicht freigeschaltet. Falls ihr Kommentare habt zu der Sendung, könnt ihr sie uns live auf Facebook schicken. Geht dazu auf die Facebook-Seite von Stylist Berlin und kommentiert einfach das Foto, was gerade hochgeladen wurde. Trotzdem. Ja, gut. Also, are you ready? Es geht los. Symbiz Sound auf TwenFM.
Makes no sense just stand around. 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 Come on, young ladies, let's all. Makes no sense just stand around. 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 Come on, young ladies, let's all get down. Makes no sense just stand around. Makes no sense just stand around. Makes no sense just stand around. Come on, young ladies, let's all get down. Makes no sense just stand around. Makes no sense just stand around. Makes no sense just stand around. Yes, and the sound in your house.
Halbe Stunde Marschmann Sound. Global Ting. Symbiz Sound alongside dieser Deadshine. Run it! Yo, this one we call Young Ladies. Let go! Come on, young ladies, let's all. Come on, young. Come on, young. Come on, young. Come on, young. Come on, young ladies, let's all get down. Step to the kuduru. Yo, yo. Yes, I'm for real. Turn up the bass. Makes no sense just stand around. All right. Let's all get down. Years upon the printer 20 and 12 or whatever.
Right, wir sind der Symbiz Sound. Okay, wir haben Spoke Matambo aus Südafrika hier als ersten Vokalisten aus der Büchse.
By yourself, no squad, no team, and you fall deep down. Shake up out your dream, and you fall deep down. Shake up out your dream, and you fall deep. Shake up out your dream, and you fall deep down. Shake up out your dream, and you fall deep down. Shake up out your dream, and you fall deep down. Shake up out your dream, and you fall deep down. Shake up out your dream, and you fall deep down. Shake up out your dream. On the world we on the world we. Gold faces, no names is bodacious. On the world we on the world we. Court cases, law paganization. On the
사운드가 다이스의 노래를 리믹스한 곳입니다.
Kleiner Remix von unserem Freund Dingy Daisu hier aus Berlin.
Big enough respect. Hey.
지금 듣고 있는 노래는 싱비즈 사운드가 다이스의 노래를 리믹스한 곳입니다. 리믹스한 곳입니다. 리믹스한 곳입니다. 리믹스한 곳입니다.
Yo, straight promoting the control, I bring it back. TwenFM radio station. Symbiz sound. I'll shut the place now. Wow. Once again, shots to the Dingy Dice. Run the tune.
Then a kleinen portugiesen Remix. For all those people who speak Portuguese only.
Take it long. Symbiz production. Symbiz sound, yeah.
Fui pra Salvador visitar um pessoal e lá tem uma moda de pegar no birimbau. Porque na capoeira é muito fácil de jogar. Porque na capoeira é muito fácil.
Can't stop it.
Paulista, baiano, capixaba, mineiro. Paulista, baiano, capixaba,
Yes, I.
mineiro. Paulista, baiano, capixaba, mineiro.
POL and the ICE.
Paulista, baiano, capixaba, mineiro.
What? Put it up now. Turn down the station. Blah. Oh my God. What is? Awakening. Listen.
Fui pra Salvador visitar um pessoal e lá tem uma moda de pegar no birimbau. Porque na capoeira é muito fácil de jogar. Porque
Yo,
na
Symbiz, I'm gonna
capoeira
tell
é
you this
muito
again.
fácil de jogar.
Jump.
Paulista, baiano, capixaba,
Shut down the shield, then make you like this. You know how to go tell your friends, see? Sing this long set to them, they try and see straight from out of the burning town. Rap. Let go.
Paulista, baiano, capixaba, mineiro. Paulista, baiano, capixaba, mineiro.
Turn it low.
Shake a boom, shake a boom. I shake a boom, shake a boom. I shake a
Gentlemen, wir haben TMC für euch am Start.
Yo. Let go. Super, we tell of them super bad. Symbiz sound. You're in the station there.
Ladies and gentlemen, TMC.
Time for us to talk now. I Symbiz sound, long set they try. I hear the thing, Deadly 3 styling. Watch it. Super, we tell of them super bad. Symbiz sound. Yeah, smack it up now. Super, we tell of them super bad. Yo, let go the bullet there. Yo, we tell them what is good, what is evil. Which are the man and which are the people. Come from my view, them sharp like an eagle. From the first moment, when I saw yo, turn from bright blue into deep purple. Never choose should be easy, but that's not simple. One mistake with you, it makes me fucking crumble. All of them are different types, some I live individual. Some of them are dumb, some of them are intellectual. Some of them I live natural, some of them I live virtual. Different types of life, but with the same deliberate. Open up your eyes every day, the same sequel. We are all different, but in the same time, we are equal. Super, we tell them super bad. Symbiz sound, you don't know. Say super, we tell them super bad. Yo, let go. What's rolling in? Yes, we tell them. Teacher, thee. Your body, I go tell them, say. Babylon, Babylon. Set the lyrics and melody and beat. Babylon, that's why we murder jump on. Murder jump on. Set the lyrics and the melody and murder jump on. And just beat Babylon, beat Babylon. Sound lyrics and melody and beat Babylon. That's why we murder. Yes, murder. We tell them Babylon that we come passing up in their face at the fire. Yo, been on this skill on the fire. Yo, but we are gonna do, we not fit tired. I mean, so now, what we are gonna do, we have to come word, this a machine gun, we don't care that. Wow, listen to this, we have to come, we smack it up. We tell them, conquer the world, my peace and the love, we have feet, and down Babylon, we do come, listen to our weapon. Yo, ready me time, we can't hit this one. Yo, we have to come, fever, she now with the anti-fire there. Listen up for this, so when I teach, I go tell you this again. Hey! Boom bang, and we say we beat Babylon. Yo, Babylon. Set the lyrics and melody and beat Babylon. That's why we murder jump on. Murder jump on. Set the lyrics and the melody and murder. Yo, this. Tell it.
Okay, wir haben etwas Türkisches für euch, Freunde. Berlin, viele Türken. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Levent Özdemir. Und der Balama, I'm sorry. Levent Özdemir war mein Balama-Lehrer an der Universität, als ich dieses wunderbare Instrument lernen durfte. Alright. Normalerweise gibt es dieses Clap. You want the drop?
Let go. Hey. Walk to the girl and say hello, you're sweet like a juice of a big mango. So when months and dance him with it and go, you go along the way you to follow mango. Stand up to the man and you make all the bungalow and me say dance all the rhythm there, see what's the show. Enough of them a lie, them a can't for you. Them a come in the place and them a answer who. Boy want to dance and you show interest. Boy want to be but you not be heartless. Slowly choose one and take the fastest. We say guy you so clean and you are the best. Some of them a getting man energy restless. The boy you brace you with the up on your chest. Hey, stop to the fuss and the fight. Listen up for this. From the far east to Berlin. Hold up the fire, keep it burning, yeah. Spicy tunes we keep on serving. CMC, Symbiz sound, chosenly. From the far east to Berlin. Hold up the fire, keep it burning, yeah. Spicy tunes we keep on serving. Yes, we tell them, say. CMC, Symbiz sound, chosenly. Yo. The other night, see a nigga them over front, but just one me look and see that me feel nice. Listen up in this way, you have to come fi take it up and take it up high. Rock to the down and the back to the side and the front. No matter where you come from, we have to come rise up all the nation. And me go up, ganja plantation. No more confusion, no illusion, no frustration for the younger generation. Who listen up in this, I make me smack it up again. Give me mic them, yeah me have to come fi talk again. Hey, and the Symbiz sound, then HI, make you move around, knock down back to the side and the front. We let go. We tell them from the far east to Berlin. Fire, keep it burning, yeah. Spicy juice, we keep on serving. CMC, Trust and lead, turn it down. Your body play that. Let's roll sound. Turn up. Yo, this is all about telecom music. Check out the next one. Yo, turn it up louder there. Somebody call emergency. Just like the music, we turn up again. Ciao. TwenFM, tune in.
This is an invincible army that needs no ordinary weapons.
No matter where you come from, we all the same uniform. Send out them soldiers and the warriors like a storm. Musical explosion like a bomb. In a city, put it on the city bomb. Spread them out like a spark. So long the temper and I follow even mama. Tell me up on the mission like a young father man. Shot right bright and me hotter than the sun. When we strike and place fire, I feel left it burn. Put on the road and the life in the camera. Me no need no knife and the gun. Music I will be a pan. Rhythm the time, me cure man, I'm medicine man. Music is a healing to every nation. I'm a love reggae in a different kind of fashion. Have you make sure feel the rhythm and the bass and the drum. True that this I wanna be everyone. Exactly points and now we're overdone. Busting the lyrics and I bust with the gun. This is manufacturing and this drum just begun. Spit out the lyrical fire like a dragon. I'm not burning, training up with a Kingston. Man, I not look back and end up in a lockjaw. Toxic poison sting like a scorpion. Original computer controlling program. Jump over ice by Michael Jordan. A Symbiz sound, I go tell them. Heavy like an elephant, we mash up the land. To read that, we not stop, we not done. Lean back and then I find a position. If you're not like that, you will end up in a punishment. Too many DJs now overstand. We are gonna send about freedom in the telegram. Push that button. Symbiz sound. Lower down the tempo. Yes, big it up to the Style Walker.
Ladies and Gentlemen, this ist der Moment, an dem wir die neuen Dinge von unserem neuen Album vorstellen werden.
Okay, wir werden ein neues Album rausbringen auf Big and Harry Root Down am Anfang des Jahres, ungefähr Februar, März. Und die nächsten paar Sachen, die ihr hört, sind relativ exklusiv von diesem Album. Yeah, Applaus! Yeah! Ooh, someone dead tonight. Es wird der Opener sein, so viel können wir schon verraten. Ooh, someone dead tonight.
Yeah.
Ooh, someone dead tonight. Ooh, someone dead tonight.
Symbiz sound with the happy trigger finger. Soundboy dead tonight. I Symbiz sound with the happy trigger finger. Soundboy dead tonight. Yeah. I Symbiz sound with the happy trigger finger. Soundboy dead tonight. Hey, I Symbiz sound with the happy trigger finger. Soundboy dead tonight.
We tell them lyrical ninja, heavy rotator. What we have to do, we have to come fi take it over. Shake down the urge, yeah. Put out the faker. Fling down the rhythm there, sharp like a razor. Symbiz sound in the pressure, them a general. When we let out the sound, we can see how we call. Murder upon the dance floor. Yo, Symbiz sound, yo, that's for sure. We tell them.
We tell them I'm heavy like a bag, we put in a Johnny box. We not give a fuck, go to them over with the import shop. Now that's a me thing, it's a love girl thing. Heads on the bang and the girl them swing. 145 for the three, I go bust. 145, two off the trust. 145, yeah, we out, that's a number. Ready for that 145, got the conquer. Shaolin, Tai Chi, throw the style, pace and monkey punch. Like a Brucey, kiss, I did juggle them, yo, Mr. Deadly. None of them are somewhere rough. Look at the telekinetic for Sakura anime. Too many times, Symbiz with all the enemies. See, all of them are trying to be word and the sound. None of them are holy quality. See? Yes, I.
Yes, sir.
Everybody drunk and happy, raise on the buckles and glasses. Hennessy and Moet and rum, street vibes, couple quad, couple flashes.
Once again.
No work, all play. We a party and burn out the crosses.
Yo, Mr. Vibes Cartel, official.
Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. Everybody drunk and
Big up to Soul Force.
Turn it up.
Die haben diesen kleinen wunderbaren offiziellen Remix gemacht.
Couple quad, couple flashes.
Cartel,
no work, all play. We a party and burn out the classes. They can't say fi whisper me not in the office. Turn it up, 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 loud inna the glow. Everybody die, champagne a bar. It is street vibes. Pretty girl coming from every.
Yes, back up on the printer again.
And burn out the classes. They can't say fi whisper me not in the office. Turn it up, 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 loud inna the glow. Everybody die, champagne a bar. It is street vibes. Pretty girl coming from every side. So this your girl peerless little boy. We take her go straight to the tree. We are black bean fishy belly. If you lose your girl to Vice Cartel, it a no nothing. We are real dog, no. My crew, everybody know. Turn it up inna the club where you are go do. When you see my crew, say everybody know. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up, turn it up.
What we are gonna do, really girl, like a bass and a leg. Is a trouble combination with the Symbiz projects. Back it up in the face of the wreck. In a good brain, let me copy in check. What's next? Roll in my masses and my happy get flex. Fire in the distance, you know, take a rest. In the disappearance, be comfy invest. From north to the south and the east and the west. Rhythm on the bass and a strong like a bamboo. The saban and yummy call the bass and kung fu. Who are them a who on the wheel and a chew man. Left a fast sound, let me come pass through. So give me them there, how do you do? If you don't like them, man, I say fuck you. Yo, man, I meet you in a human zoo. Fire off your bun, let's. Yo. Yo, once again. What we are gonna do, bigger be a stand there. Like, is a trouble combination with the Symbiz projects. Smack it up in the face of the wreck. In a the brain, let me copy in check. What's next? All of my masses, I'm happy get flex. Fire in the dim chest, you know, take a rest. In a disappearance, be comfy invest. From north to the south, and the east and the west. Rhythm on the bass, and a strong like a bamboo. This man, yummy call the bass and kung fu. Who them a who on the wheel and a chew man. Left a flat sound, let me come pass it through. So give me them there, how do you do? If you don't like them, man, I say fuck you. Yo, man, I meet you in a human zoo. Fire off your bun, let's go! Bring it back to the roundup. Hey! To the low. TwenFM. The wave like thing there. Once again, I'm multi-digital baseline enough energy. Hola. This is super multi-digital baseline enough energy. Hola. Super multi-digital baseline. Sing the song. Control this. Turn it up. Music for this one.
Lady Chan, come on.
I see a lady, you session, ladies, ladies. When I say get wavy, you say come on, get wavy. Come on, get wavy. Come on, yo. I see a lady, you session, ladies, ladies. When I say get wavy,
Yo, Lady Chan upon the printer, straight from out of England. Official.
make a take you on a rough ride. Make sure you can handle a rough ride. On a rough ride, to the game and play with a real style. I'll take you on a ride, make sure you can handle a rough ride. To the game and play car, with a deal off. Make a take you on a rough ride, make sure you can handle a rough ride. On a rough ride, to the game and play with a real style. I'll take you on a ride, make sure you can handle a rough ride.
Yo, Lady Chan, tell you this. Listen.
When you like them, no beer back, just keep on Quintin must rally back. Arch your back, he must rally back. Rock it up hard and he must rally back. Make you know you're the boss and he must rally back. Top class boom boss must rally back. Long last no style must rally back. Want to do the thing till you catch heart attack. Anything less than you can't off track from the end and start. You must play the part, pick up your two legs and can't flex. Y'all but not too far, get set. Y'all wanna deal with bar. Ride out first, but me come last. Second and simmer, rev it out hard. 16 minutes on the hourglass. Make a take you on a rough ride. Make sure you can angle a rough ride. In a deal of style.
Once again, Lady Chan. Thanks for this printer.
Last thing you see, shed that tear one week.
What?
The last thing before me cut your bloodstream.
The next one is rolling in. It's ya.
You there like a sass.
Yeah. What?
Feel the pressure. I don't give a damn, your ass is grand. I don't give a damn, your ass is grand. I don't give a damn, your ass is grand.
And the soldier let's up on the battlefield, independent, then in this here concrete jungle. Concrete jungle. Yo, and the soldier let's up on the battlefield, independent, then in this here concrete jungle. Hey, yes, you tell them say, hey, yo. No, me no fear when a Babylon wear, but me not let them put me in a them style. What them a go do, them off make me peer, but me a go still up, piss against the wall. It is all about I try to make them Babylon fall. Me ask myself why, but for the people them on go sprawl. Slowly time is running out and soon me overflow the cup and still I hear a melody. So walk and a sound rat-a-tat-tat. None of them a manipulation, no investigation, no money for the nation. Hungry feed them one patient. Man live life, no need no moderation. Them don't be soldier let's step on the battlefield, independent, then in this here concrete jungle, jungle, concrete jungle, jungle. And me soldier let's them on the battlefield, independent, then in this here concrete jungle, jungle, concrete jungle, jungle. Yo.
Auch dieser Song ist vom neuen Album, Freunde.
Where the people there? Where the people there? Turn it up. Bassline.
Kinky, man.
Hey! You're not respect to the gladiator. Feral is kinky up on the printer. This one we call pitch slap. Official remix. Set the sound. Thanks to Big and Harry. Let go. Official. Boah! Alles kaputt. Alles kaputt gemacht. What? Pull up, pull up. up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up.
Alles gewollt, alles Kunst. Ladies and Gentlemen.
War voll gut.
Für alles Kinky. Gladiator Remix. Big and Harry.
You better think about it. I'm a little drink about it. Swim my think about it. My drink gonna go. So don't doubt me. There is Kinky alongside the Symbiz. What up, what up,
Okay, let's show me call second round. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. Load that. Go. To the classics. Yo, body play nice and sweet.
Ooh Lord have mercy, can we kill again? A little gently kill, we are go take with the pain. Ooh Lord have mercy, can we kill again? Send this sound and now you house them.
Yo, first things first, so you go load up the magazine, baseline stressful like a child with the violin freak out until you end up in a coffin. Chinese them a bake the ragamuffin. Like them a who am a low like Kevin. What we a go do, we have to kill them. Yeah, me tell them up again. Huh? You better not step in a way. You better have to call me day. So pull back and have to pay. You will overstand one day. Your baseline lover them a run with. So after party you say I go bond it. So come over here, take a ticket. Can't do somebody you love, we take it.
Oh, it feels so nice. And when you get it tonight, you better come fi take a ride. When we let go the bullets, Symbiz shot with the baseline them. Ooh Lord have mercy, can we kill again? A little gently kill, we are gonna take with the pain. Ooh Lord have mercy, can we kill again? Symbiz sound and now you own them. Puristic baseline, futuristic sounds, it's a toxic.
A little murder in a gymnastic baseline, genetics and different techniques. Control the physics, put the bomb plastic, shot like elastic, stress epidemics. Some of them are enough, them end up in appendix. Huh! 1 shot, 2 shot, 3 shot, 4 shot. None of them are warriors, some of you come to get mad. Ready enough with this, someone is not to be sad. Put it up, I create job in chocolate. We tell them it's someone heavyweight. Serve it up on this silver plate. Shake it down in now the earthquake right now. This someone alive.
Oh, it feels so nice. And when you get kid tonight, you better come fi take a ride. When we let go the bullets, Symbiz shot with the baseline. Boom! Let go! Hey!
Big baseline genetics. Yo! Top that.
1 shot, 2 shot, 3 shot, 4 shot. Some of them are warriors, some of them come to get mad. Ready enough for this, someone else in a need to face that. Put it up, I'll break your boom chocolate.
Wanna know what this is about? No doubt we come to mash up your town. Speakers get you at best, speakers get scared anytime we come from fuss up the sound. Wanna know what this is about? No doubt we come to mash up your town. Speakers get you at best, speakers get scared anytime we come from fuss up the sound. Wanna know what this is about? No doubt we come to mash up your town. Speakers get you at best, speakers get scared anytime we come from fuss up the sound. Get down and up like a merry-go-round, don't stop when we come to let rhythms drop. Anybody in the club's gonna know we take control, so now try run, cause you're gonna get found. Anybody in the club's gonna know we take control. Don't bother try run, cause you're gonna get found.
baseline.
It's all over. It's all over.
Okay, für die Freunde da draußen, die nicht im Studio sitzen, das ist unser letzter Song. Vielen Dank, dass wir hier sein konnten. Wir waren der Symbiz Sound. Wir sind immer noch der Symbiz Sound. CMC, TwenFM.
It's all over. 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 It's all. It's all